Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights? So log in now with the account that set the screen lock. Once signed in, back up any unsaved work because later steps can trigger a restart or session change. Next, open Settings, then Security or Lock Screen. On some models, you'll find it under Settings Biometrics. You're starting this process to remove an access barrier, so move directly to the lock options and prepare to confirm identity when prompted. You'll now choose a new screen lock option. Tap Screen Lock and select None or swipe to disable a secure lock. When prompted, verify your identity with the current PIN, pattern, password, or biometric. This proves you own the device. Once changed, make sure to turn off any linked protection layers, such as Find My Device or enforced encryption settings that re-enable locks. If an option is grayed out, check for Device Administrator apps. You're almost done. Reboot the device to ensure the new lock state takes effect, and then test by waking the screen. If the lock remains, make sure to inspect device administrators and any MDM or work profiles. These can enforce locks remotely. If a profile is blocking changes, remove it or contact your admin. As a last resort, back up everything and perform a factory reset. This removes enforced settings, but also erases local data. Use it only when other options fail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.